Okay, so this is day 9 of our Back to the Roots organic mushroom grow kit. Kind of missed day 7 and day 8. Technically you can harvest after day 7. See how much they've grown since day 6. The shadows here, let me get all the shadow. So, yeah, really cool. I don't think they're getting any bigger. So I'm probably going to harvest tonight or tomorrow morning. And I've heard you can just re-soak the bag and flip it and then grow another batch. I don't think you can do that more than a couple times. I may make another video telling you how these guys are, how they taste. And if you like these videos, just keep a lookout for more. And I'll share them as I make them. Alright, thanks guys, take care. Bye.